Welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. And guys, I'm gonna share this live with you that Shebada did, and it's about his take on the CHRISSY situation. Him think CHRISSY is as guilty as CMR, and the mall so I say World Dog need to come out and talk. What happened? Who dirt Joe? Who
A
dirt
lot.
Joe? So let's listen to what Shebada has to say.
A wind up on one another. A lot, and just call it a show. We just said show. So you can't blame somebody like a CMR. You have to get help for him. You have to blame the wife who claimed that she is knowledgeable. You understand me? She's knowledgeable of everything where going is illness. Z baby one is illness, she's knowledgeable of it. And she sit down underneath it and foster it. Him have a rock where he can run, go back to when the world is against him. For his wrong. He has a rock of support when the world seem like it not like him no more. He has a rock. He has a rock. CHRISSY need counseling, to the two of them need counseling. Why you think them have accomplice? Why you think them charge the person who is an accomplice? Why you think them charge them more? Why you think them charge the accomplice more? And that one now look on you. Why you think them charge? If you and your friend go up and rob and you stand up outside, you get a piece of charge under your nastiness. You get a piece of charge under your nastiness. CHRISSY is a devil under makeup. Me say the woman CHRISSY is so demonic, it's not even funny. CHRISSY is so demonic, it's not even funny. Every time an excitement broke out, you put on your mask and you come out and see him unbothered. Every time something come out from you know what you say? Guys, I'm taking a break. Every single time. And all of this is called support to the foolery where your husband do. You support him behind closed door. Yeah, you are necessary once you have involvement for true. And at that enough people sit down on the net. That's why I say enough don't spot on the megabytes. Enough don't spot in a comment section. Whole heap of don't spot. Them sit down and them now say, as a woman, as a mother, this is my child. Then you think nobody can beat my dog? Me have a dog, and if the dog is my own and me and you there, me not expect if you beat up my dog. So like everybody else out the road, I'm mad, you're mad. I'm mad, you're mad, man. Good morning, morning, Empress. I'm mad, you're mad. You're mad? Woman give them virtue to man and leave it pan them cocky and take up the man armor. It shows in a dance hall. The boy them a wine and the girl them a walk with a rifle. Somebody said we deserve an explanation. Me not think we deserve an explanation from them. We don't think so. Not until World Dog come tell we about the party and the shooting. We can't afford for them explain to it before World Dog them, man. Good God. We can't do that. We can't afford for them come explain to us before World Dog and CHRISSY. Them all I know them not tell we shoot out go on a firing and we shoot out for how it go. For true. And World Dog we wait pan. We can't say that we focus pan World Dog. So we're left to talk now. We can't wait for CMR. CMR can't wait little. We know how him stay already. Him not want him wife. And if it's a child molester, shoplifter and abuser. How much charges I got to him? He's traumatized by the army. And the barrel them, yeah. Yeah, so we're not very selective in our own chat. And I mean now go down the road we don't know. You're quick for share the live now that me tell you say we need World Dog them for come talk. You jump and share the live. I knew I would have catch an ex-gang member. I knew I would have catch an ex-gang member. The whole hour know when tell me I chat World Dog. I'll so cocky lick out batty drink combine man in 100 and add HP per stage. Lady grabber I come up and talk. But CMR who is traumatized by the excitement that broke out on him, you want him now to come and CHRISSY to give an explanation when World Dog make Joe dead and we not even hear nothing about how Joe funeral go. You understand me? No man, I'm not too shake up. That's why I don't want a friend pan the app, I don't want a body like me. I'm glad I talk that. I don't trust none of them. I don't even trust CMR, I don't even trust World Dog. All the emotional breakdown on the internet don't send nothing to me. It might touch uno very emotional. It don't touch me the excitement I want to hear. I want to hear how it go. At this some midday. At this some midday. I don't know how uno move on. And not about CMR if you come give a confession. Move on a stinking self. I'm going to suck on a mother and World Dog and CHRISSY sit up on the live and beg and not talk. I don't know why you reckon I just want to go and talk about what I know. I'm not very selective though, but want to hear, we still await. So when our lady so-called grabber come out and I talk about, Shebada, you know have no heart. You see the boy just come back, the main fact him come back and now lay down him can't talk. You can never go work. You can never sick under medication. And that work for say to the people them say you come for tell them aye. You better get to work. When I love normalize things too much, it's true. Them always normalize things. Everybody that on the internet, you know, it said this is why I always get catch under my voice. God not steer my throat wrong. This is why I always get catch under my voice. Because I always say, I'm selective in what I say because I'm not genuine. I don't want nobody attack uno for speaking how I really feel. So they go according to how the crowd feel or how they think the crowd feel or how they think the crowd is feeling. And that always catching the whole understanding of weight pencils. But this is true, I know say World Dog guilty for a man and let him cause everything. I just don't talk, I have nothing more to say. Nothing more to say. The mere fact you can come back and say thank you and special thanks to and do your season's greetings in November, it simply means that you can tell the audience exactly what transpired and it's your fault and take accountability. Take accountability for your part that you play. You can come and say, you know, so we really never have to go and the X, Y, and Z boots me up for go. Yeah? If me a big under the style, when you see me a big under the style, you call me out because I don't know which style you see me a big under. You hear me, baby? So when you say, if me not begging under style, just remember that you are the only one on this who have that. You understand me? So when you see me a big under style, you tell me. Just point it out to me. Please me I tell you. Yeah. So whatever jobs they are trying throw it now work. Don't block them now, don't block them. Them just ask a simple question. Don't block them. Anytime you see me a big under style, call me out. Please, me I beg you. Yeah. But you can't tell me how. Show it to me. Show it. My baby, please. Show it. Yeah, point it out. Honestly, point it out, my baby. Please, me I beg you. You're big on that style. Me no World Dog and CHRISSY. Yeah, me no World Dog and CHRISSY. Me now get up out of medication come collect. I'm never going to do that. So when you want to show up me for what me do. Don't show up me for what me not do. Because number one, let me tell you why me not beg. Let me tell you why me not beg. You have some people on this, them not stop full up my Zelle, them not stop full up my cash app, and them not stop full up my card. You have some people on this. So me not have to beg, me that wicked for come beg. Crave a choke puppy. And me know me young. Crave a choke puppy for true. Don't you say teeth as attack where attack. Malibu, let me tell you the truth, my baby. Me not have to beg like that. Me serve a true and living God. You see, God Him provide for the birds of the air. So me not have to come up and be disgraceful to my provider. World Dog and CHRISSY have to do that. So when you talk about big and the style, ask the people them. If I big me a big and the style, the people them would have cuss me about it. I come up and I talk how I feel my baby, and this embarrassing because you have no receipt. Yeah? Yeah. Don't block her. Don't block her because she don't have no argument and you compete. Girl, I'm the only person on the app where run left gifts. You never know. I am the only one on the app where run left gifts. No man, may I address X-Gang? May I address X-Gang? This is how we don't idol shame, you know. We have to walk out and start defend them. Yeah, this is how we idol shame, you know. We idolize a beggar. We idolize Auntie Daphne! Wama! Lord! Watch my auntie in la Cassandra read one. Auntie Daphne walk one! Yeah? She be beg you 100. She be beg you 100 blocks. Girl, me that take 100 sheets and sing. Thank you. Bonnie 69, thank you. Now for sure. So Malibu, and over here so you for stop. And over here so you for stop. Cause Malibu, remember me not like friends. Remember me not want a friend. Remember World Dog did have to get up out of medication because TikTok I got locked down January. He did have to push through. Me not say nothing bad. You don't want me chat CMR and talk about say CMR for come talk. World Dog for come talk to. World, you know to say me now this say Malibu coming already yet. World Dog for come talk. Why CMR just dropping it and him for come talk and World Dog come out tight and World Dog can't talk? We know, so you said what you said, and what you said was some bullshit. Yeah. And that make you look stupid, my baby. That make you look like an asshole. Thank you very much. See, Elder Miles, the Martina said my holy for somebody. Thank you very much. Yeah, you said what you said, and what you said was some bullshit. Him come back a beg. Him come back a beg, so you strain your eye from the real beggar and you want to come accuse me. I'm not far from it, my darling. No man, you're not far from the bullshit. You are the bullshit, Malibu. You are the bullshit. You're not far from it. Where you defend? Make it make sense. Where you defend? You say me big on the style and you not have no receipt. Everybody when me chat me have receipt. You say me big on the style and you not have no receipt. Tell me the style. You should brainwash for true. You see my big understand, Malibu, you not have no receipt. Show me receipt. We're like them big like a dog. At the first gunshot, me say wake up and come big. Make we talk. At the first boy, me say wake up from the gun wound and come big. And in a sling and a big. Eh? And in a sling and a big. CHRISSY just keep him party Friday and Sunday material don't go match. When you tell me the truth, you're not too awful. When you see the things, them if I call it out. And that's why CHRISSY I go through this now, because CMR is a dirty man and she a wife him up like how you a wife up the wrongs. And that's why CHRISSY I go through it. That is why CHRISSY going through it now. All I know him not heal. Him not heal and a beg. Eh? All I know. Wanna see the truth and not call it out. Anyhow it had been anybody else, you tell them say them want rest. You tell them, say, Lord Jesus, go lay down. See, baby, what? You tell them, say, go lay down, man. Go rest your hand. Go rest yourself if you need anybody else. They must come back and catch the speed and tap the screen. It's true. We not call a speed. That's why CHRISSY I go through this Z, baby. That's why CHRISSY I go through what she I go through with CMR. Because when you support these men for being careless, worthless, and all sorts of stuff, when you support them, you know, when you walk and support them, remember when you support them, you know? That's why Malibu with that big stinking hole could have come and defend World Dog after him one. Him get antibiotic though, and him get sleeping pill. Him get sleeping pill, so him not rest. Him get sleeping pill, tell him go lay down. Here come home for chat CMR. Make we chat World Dog. World Dog was in line first. Fear is fear. We not skip nobody. We want if CMR for come confess about his situation, World Dog must come confess about why Joe dead and how Joe dead. I mean, I say Swissley now, none of them are post up Joe and post up Joe funeral and post up nothing for Joe. So when World Dog sing and cry, must have cry out a shock, say him nearly dead. I don't care when nobody wants it. Don't come tell me about CMR for confess, World Dog for confess too. I gang him walking in. I don't see them post up nothing for Joe. Joe is just a memory. This is the thing we are talking about. So when so cocky lady grabber still gonna come attack, put your son in a Joe space, lady grabber. Make World Dog make your son go in a Joe space and you come back and tell me how you feel about World Dog. Go suck your mama, lady grabber. Lady grabber ignore fear picking them for mine, man. Swissley post Joe, that's a lie. Swissley post Joe out of when me say. So not tell me nothing. And when me talking post Joe. Remember, so I know the timeline in a baby girl. And me know the timeline in the same way I make triple walk with her picking them on the net. And me say it and him do it. Go suck your mother, look how long Joe dead. And look how long it takes Swiss to post. You tell me my handiwork. You tell me my handiwork. Eh? My handiwork you tell me about? If me not talk, them not do. Always remember that. If me not talk, them not do. Oh, my handiwork make him post it because he didn't want to stay out of it. So go suck your mother because none of we never know say Swissley even know Joe. Because Swissley keep him much shut a World Dog alone Swissley, you know. The amount of emotion where Swissley had towards World Dog, little gunshot in him hand. You can't believe that there was a dead man named Joe. We not analyze the situation as somebody brother, somebody father, and somebody son, somebody uncle. So when not come and want me to call out CMR, to come confess. I can't call out CMR. I can't call out a sick man. I need World Dog, a World Dog first minute to come confess. Tell me how the party go, how Romish run with the money, and Swissley just come down to come present himself and get no money. Oh, that's what if I talk about, I not talk the good something, them and I don't want to chat people. Me not chat people halfway. CMR is sick, he's very sick. He's very sick. Of course, remember say me make Blinger go lay down. When Blinger come and say nobody no know nothing about her, and me come and say stop. Remember me and you used to hold and pass pedestrian. And it's true, when I want to chat some people, I don't want to chat some people. I want to chat everybody, all me. All we can say, mama, my boy, rest in peace, Joe. We now say World Dog is a problem giver, it's a Dennis the Menace. We now say World Dog is a problematic individual. We're not saying these things. We're not. We're not. I want to come over here but for chat CMR, make CMR. I want to chat World Dog and Swissley or them not talk about what people in that pray for. Because we don't like to pray the opposite, you know. And them sit down and not ball. Me in fact you can't ball, we want to know where you cry for. If you cry for how you set up, how you make Joe dead. And that we want to know why you carry Joe. Somebody go talk say Joe did him bodyguard. If Joe did the bodyguard, why you leave him a foreign and you come to Jamaica, come enjoy the party, you don't treat your bodyguard good. Yeah. Me not understand how when the people on the internet stay. When see every red flag leaning towards World Dog, and when rather pity World Dog. I don't want World Dog change. I want World Dog rest like Ivan and come back power way. World Dog, after this situation, you can't do nothing bad in my eye. You see, after this situation, World Dog, you cannot do nothing bad in my eye. After this situation where everybody faster, you can't do nothing, but anything you do, them deserve it. And that with Uno. I am pretty sure one thing me know about Jamaicans, one thing me know about Jamaicans, if your brother or your man are linked with World Dog, and you hear say World Dog and them touch the road and nothing happen to your brother, you in the household and your family and friends are going to say it's World Dog. You in a one thing me know about Jamaicans, once you follow somebody go somewhere, you get the end of the stick, them are going to say it's the person who you follow and them cause it. And so we as a Jamaican culture. Yeah, so we as a Jamaican culture. So now come tell me if I chat, some and I chat, some me I chat everybody. Everybody. Remember we don't know nobody until they introduce them. So I don't know why me must sit down on the internet and have pity upon World Dog that is alive and not have emotion towards the family of Joe or the situation. World Dog can take medication, Joe have to take Congo worm. Joe have to take Congo worm. So don't tell me about CMR. Don't tell me if I tell the CMR to come confess and how CMR own obligations and all of them something there. Come suck me. I'm too out harder. World Dog come and him attack everything and him not attack how the situation go. You can't talk how the situation go. When I say me not have a heart, see the wicked them they wanna idolize. The Bible are fulfilled. The Bible are fulfilled and other things say the Bible are fulfilled in a bottom. No. See wickedness there. See, all it from me look pan World Dog woman, me know say. She knows say World Dog wrong. So when the whole under the jump up the next day, I talk about say, them bad mind the boy, from me see and he come out and talk about there is no remorse, there is no sadness, there is nothing. She knows say World Dog wrong. She know me not run joke them with people life. You go on here? I'm never the one who cause the problem get the shit in another stick. I'm the one who not aware. So no go on, me nah make same, me nah call out same man for come give a confession. A World Dog, me a call out for come give confession. Come talk what really happen. Cause we know how it go, you can't tell no lie. The fun part about it, you go with 100 man and 98 run at that part there. Always the innocent. No see baby, always the innocent. How it go? The same way we want here, who is the child parents, we see my touch, how the touching really go, how long him a walk a touch the creech, how long him a walk a trouble the daycare, how long him a grinch, how long him a steal Christmas from children. But before we hear him, World Dog was before him, World Dog is in line. Same man can't talk now. Until World Dog bust it up and say people me nah lie. Me did really aggressive. Me did really, you know, want this, and my bad, and it will never happen again. And my fault, and my doing while my friend lose him life. Him not talk that, at that we want here. At that we want here that. Don't come from my program, come tell me say CMR need to come confess. World Dog need to come talk. World Dog need to come talk, and this over there. And this over there. World Dog need to come talk. When I like to cover up things because people are got bang rush, you know, and people are got tear with them. Who cares? The world tear down Jesus when him come to save them. Then you think my mind? Must Jesus bear the cross and the world go free? I like pure honey? No. If I tear down people, my love when I come off now, but they up here too long. My love now. Yeah, me the vloggers them run with this now. Screen record 101. I said what I said, and what I said wasn't some bullshit. Yeah. Somebody says so quick. Yeah, me I come off. Remember say, me and I like World and Swissly Rosalie, and me not even like Triple. We lay down pan life. Me can't do this. Remember this demonic. Me can't take too much of this in my spirit. Remember this demonic, you know. Remember some man I walk with crosses, you know? Remember some man I heavy. Me don't know all them. That's why the people them are for wicked. Yeah. Me can't stay pan here so long. Remember this demonic and the gospel. Yeah, me can't stay long, man. Me have to cut. Now 10 moments fire, me love you, but fire me can't stay 10 moments because I go bust it up. Because I go bust it up on World Dog, I go come off my medication. I go bust it up on Swiss Media, them come back and go like nothing never wrong, like him friend never nearly did. They just come back and look in their phone screen and I beg. Them don't care about people who care about them. Them don't owe nobody no obligation, no explanation. Them just sit down so. And I beg and I beg and I try to distract people's mind from where them really cause, from where them really did go through. Yeah, it's true. I can't sit down no longer because una hypocrite. Una sit down and want to know what transpire and una not ask, but una want to know about Samar. I want to know about World Dog and how Joe dead. Me not even know how much shot Joe get, not even that. We not even know if a 1 shot Joe get or 2 shot, 3 shot or 4 shot. We don't know nothing. And all him can do is push through the medication. World Dog push through coma for come back. Push right through coma for come back. It's true. It's true. It's just the truth. And then play upon people's emotion. Sunday wants to see him and Swissly, see me? And like them sad for each other. I'm not going to suck out to no mama. I'm not do sad for nobody. People emotion and not play upon. When the light black off, when talk and say, yeah man, we have the man that will spell. Go suck on the mother. You could have never tricked me at Joe, I'm sorry for. You not alive and not pretend. Eh? You not alive and not pretend so they really hurt. I'll roll out the pan. Please! Snap out of it. Every day you come with the same set of emotions. I cannot feel sorry for World Dog when World Dog makes somebody dead and not give no explanation. Where you ball for? Why are you bawling? Why are you crying? Why are you hollering? Are you the one? You see, me say you're self-centered. You're self-centered and conceited. It must be all about you. It must be all about you. All about you. You. I'll so cocky lady grabber get up this man. Get up. Me see World Dog a crying. I'm not telling like World Dog my feet. I'm not having the emotions from the devil too much. It's all about you. You're too self-centered. All about you. And I say that power struggle. I don't care when nobody wants to say. The funny part about life, when you know you make a mistake and you come back and go on like, everything is neutral, everything is alright, it's a day. Every day when I get on a day moving and I realize that Joe cannot move, I don't know how you do it. Man heart really works cool. I don't know how you do it. How you do it. How you do it. I made a trauma and dramatize Jody B. I could come on the net because I wonder about my friend and how it happened and you don't have no shock. And then people run on the video. This boy always talk about them. Them in the media, you gotta talk about them. They are always present in the media. They are common like mango. You come on the internet and you ask every single thing else to people. I mean, never hear you come and say people might late. But you know, I really want to acquire some money. this can do, but more acquire some money and send go give Joe family. You never come and beg that yet. You beg for send barrel of Jamaica when never reach. You beg for the all sorts of things else, but you never come and say I might late. I might be late. But people never go for me for Joe. And whatever money me acquire, me go give to him family for put on for even one and picnic them for go to college. Me know I'm a friend. If you don't want to take the accountability, say because that you say I'm a friend, I'm really want to do something for even one and picnic. Make this be. You come and you beg for yourself like you want back your medication and your hospital money. Yeah, they might do it now that me talk, my baby. They might do it now, TikTok parrot. They might do it. Never. Never. Boy, me just want big up Raja. I want big up Ramesh. I want big up all of who, you know, I wish me well. It's not about you. Big up me, we're classy world dog. And me if you big up, come here tell you the truth. Me I say you make Joe dead. And me if you big up, you're too self-centered. You like me in the right at all times, even when you're wrong. Yeah, idea, me I give them Sarah. You don't know, some help out people. An idea, me I give them. I never hear it. I never hear it. You beg barrel, you beg this, you beg that, you beg. He's a problematic individual. Idea and script. And when the people are ready, I don't know why I'm hate World Dog and Swissly. People that hate them just fake in the media. Every time you turn on your For You page, and them pop up. And them pop up. Them now make it easy for you like them. Exactly. You see, this is a support where them get. And for such, them believe that them can mash up people every single time. Yeah. For choosy, baby, them believe them can mash up people every single time. It's okay for me to make you lose your son. And it's okay for me to terrorize another lady's daughter. Them are Dennis, the menace. Them are menace. The two of them, two together. Me tell you, this Swissly is an accomplice to World Dog folly. Me tell you no. Swissly played the game so good. Me see Swissly and World Dog stand up so yesterday. Yeah, me watch the energy where they might exude on the audience. And Swissly knows the World Dog not correct. Swissly knows the World Dog a hypocrite and watch the support. Shani and CHRISSY and CMR this, you know. CHRISSY and CMR, watch the support. See man? Channels. I which heaven on I go. And we don't say people hate on but not hate on. People just call out the truth. Me not telling no lie. Me not telling no lie. No man, when I forget, me can't chat same man until World Dog come talk about how he make Joe dead. And that me can't stop. I want World Dog talk how he make Joe dead. The 2,500 was not for Joe. You're in the boy face in the club. Yeah. You're in the boy face because you have 100 man around you. You just a perform like you're Beyonce. Can remember you come with your bands. Yeah. Shortly after the boy them outside and lay wait because nobody not